Alright guys, so we're back at the shop this week. I can't finish the center skid plate because the motor trans and transfer case are in the way. And it would just be a lot easier when they're out of the car, so I'm going to wait to finish the center skid plate until that comes out because it's going to have to come out again. So I got a bunch of tabs in. Looks like we just got more boxes. So on this car, we're going to be running two 12x12 coolers from Griffin for the tranny. So this is it. I'll probably have to modify it a little bit to get it to fit where I need it to. So they're gonna drop in like right in here, and then one on this side. Alrighty guys, so I haven't really been filming much of what I've been doing because honestly I don't find tabbing and welding tabs on for panels and stuff very interesting, but it's all coming together. All these are solid, side panels are solid. The front panels are somewhat solid. I kind of messed that one up a little, so I gotta fix it. Everything's pretty much solid. I got one more to do, so I'm gonna film what I'm doing to this one just so you guys can kind of see the procedure. Alrighty guys, so first. Alright, so you can see I have all of my tabs welded, blah blah blah. I totally forgot about this. I'm gonna take some of these springs and they're probably all stuck together. That's cool. Wow. Alright, so as you can see, I popped the little punches into each tab. I shorted out and only bought 10, so I'm too short, so I have to do this twice basically. Alright, so I just measured my gap. It's all straight. And now I'm going to get the soft hammer, wherever it went. Seems to work alright. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it works alright. These guys are all good. Nice gaps all the way around. Sturdy. Hungry day. I'm starving right now, dude. We're going to get food right now. Where? Tico's. Dank. If you ever come to see me, make sure you go to here. No, make sure. Don't come to see me, Valley. Don't come to see me, but if you have to, go to Tico's. Tacos. Yes, it is the best. In order of the California burrito.
I really don't think you should be here right now.
Ooh. Nee, you owe me lunch. I won.
You're not in the restaurant, bro. Watch out for police.
Several boxes we used for the last
So, walking from the restaurant to... Only if Kevin was here.
Oh, if Kevin was here, dude, he would be on this shit. I really appreciate you guys following, subscribing, liking, commenting, all of the above. Make sure you check out my Instagram. I'm usually posting on that more often than the YouTube just because it's a lot less editing and whatnot. I have a meeting with Yokohama in like 10 minutes, so I gotta run, but until next time.